Most people spend their entire lives waiting for a miracle, but the miracle is already within you. You just buried it under layers of bad habits, digital noise, and cheap dopamine. Imagine it's 7 days from now. You wake up before your alarm. Your mind is clear. Your body feels light yet powerful. The urge to check your phone is gone. You are no longer a spectator in someone else's life. You are the architect of your own. This isn't a fantasy. This is a protocol. And today, we begin. Point 1. The digital detox, reclaiming your attention. In America, the average person spends over 7 hours a day staring at a screen. You aren't using your phone is using you. It's stealing your focus, your ambition, and your peace. For the next 7 days, we apply the first hour rule. No phone for the first 60 minutes of your day. Your brain is in a theta state when you wake up, highly suggestible. If you scroll through news or social media, you are programming your brain for anxiety. Instead, use that hour to breathe, to plan, and to exist. If you can't control your first hour, you can't control your life. Point 2. The energy leak. Monk mode and self-discipline. Let's talk about something most people are too afraid to mention: instant gratification. Whether it's mindless eating, scrolling, or losing your vital energy to no-fap triggers, you are leaking power. Every time you give in to a weak impulse, you are telling your subconscious that you aren't in charge. For these 7 days, we go into monk mode. You are going to practice extreme self-denial. Why? Because when you prove to yourself that you can say no to a temporary pleasure, you gain the power to say yes to a permanent legacy. Discipline is the highest form of self-love. Point 3. The 90-minute deep work protocol. Success in the modern world is a game of focus. Most people work at 20% capacity because they are constantly interrupted. Use the ultra-deep work method. Pick your hardest task and give it 90 minutes of absolute silence. No music with lyrics, no notifications, no quick checks on email. Just raw, focused execution. After 90 minutes, your brain enters a flow state where you do better work in an hour than others do in a day. Mastery is not about working harder, it's about working deeper. Point 4. Biological optimization, the body-mind connection. You cannot have a $1 million mind with a $1 body. American culture is built on comfort, but comfort is a slow death. For the next 7 days, you must move. But not just a walk, you need high-intensity movement. Push your heart rate up for at least 20 minutes. When your body is under physical stress, it releases brain-derived neurotropic factor, BDNF. It literally repairs your brain cells. You don't work out to look good, you work out to think sharp. Combine this with a cold shower for 2 minutes. If you can handle freezing water, you can handle any challenge life throws at you. Point 5. The observer effect, stoic mindset. The final pillar is your reaction. Most people are like leaves in the wind, reacting to every comment, every traffic jam, every minor setback. During this challenge, you will practice the 5-second pause. When something bothers you, wait 5 seconds before reacting. In that gap, you find your freedom. You realize that you aren't your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. This is where true power lives. Less talking, more observing. Less complaining, more doing. Let's talk about something most people are too afraid to mention: instant gratification. Whether it's mindless eating, scrolling, or losing your vital energy to no-fap triggers, you are leaking power. Every time you give in to a weak impulse, you are telling your subconscious that you aren't in charge. For these 7 days, we go into monk mode. You are going to practice extreme self-denial. Why? Because when you prove to yourself that you can say no to a temporary pleasure, you gain the power to say yes to a permanent legacy. Discipline is the highest form of self-love. The closing, a new beginning. If you've watched this far, you've already made a choice. You are tired of being average. You are tired of being controlled. Comment day 0 below to mark your start. This isn't just a 7-day challenge, it's a rebirth. And if this video brought value to your life, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Once you've mastered yourself, you must learn to master the force that drives you, your ego. I've prepared a deep dive into ego mastery right here on the screen. Click it. Don't stop now. Your new life is waiting.